Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to remove and replace a damaged back glass or panel on an iPhone 8. Procedure similar on iPhone 8 Plus and XR. I have replaced the back panel without opening the phone. Also in this iPhone the camera ring bezel is damaged, so I will replace that too. Tools that I have used: blade, ultra thin spudger, hot air gun, isopropyl alcohol. If the replacement back glass does not come with pre-applied adhesive, you will need B7000 or E8000 adhesive glue. Replacement back glass or panel. Lens ring bezel. First shut down the phone before doing any disassembly work. Before you proceed with back glass removal, don't forget to protect your eyes and hands. Before we go further, these are the areas to be super careful of while prying out the damaged back glass. I've set the temperature on the heat gun to 180 degrees Celsius. This tutorial has been fast forwarded at various intervals to reduce the view time. Also, the time taken to remove the back glass is anything from 45 minutes to an hour or more. Warm up the phone a bit if you are in a cold environment and let it sit for a few seconds. There'll be a lot of glass coming off. Yeah. Be very careful when you reach the wireless charging module, you don't want to damage it. The camera ring bezel is completely damaged on this iPhone. Remove the gasket and keep it aside as you can use it when you put a new camera ring. Properly clean the surface, removing all the small glass pieces and old dried glue. Using isopropyl alcohol, clean the surface and prepare it for applying adhesive. This replacement glass already came with its own adhesive, so I'll put it like so. If the back glass does not come with its own adhesive, you can use E8000 or B7000 adhesive glue. The yellow marking is just for reference where to put the adhesive glue. Now I will assemble the new camera ring bezel. Before assembly, don't forget to put the gasket. This camera ring already comes with adhesive. Please have a look at the description. I have shared the buying links And also, if you have any questions, put them in the comment section. There you are all set. Hope this video is of help, and thanks for watching.